From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we've had some outstanding days this week, and it looks like another one tomorrow. But after that, going downhill as we head into Friday and getting unsettled with the chance of showers and storms. Not only Friday, but into the weekend as well. But don't cancel any outdoor plans quite yet, especially this weekend. Activity is going to be scattered in nature, not last long. But Friday looks to be our highest rain chance day, and that's going to be in the 60% range. And maybe, just maybe, the threat of a few severe storms. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, as we take a look at the big pattern across the lower 48, well, it's weather on the edges in the northeast. Still big snow showers and still some heavy snow up across Maine, moving into the Canadian Maritimes with that last in the series of nor'easters slowly moving out to sea. In the nation's midsection, it's nice and quiet, and back to the west, some much needed precipitation across the western states, and it's been a pretty scant year for water levels and snow levels across the Sierra Nevada and portions of California. And some good news here. It's not big soaking mudslide type rains, but certainly much needed moisture across portions of the west. And a lot of our food comes from this area, especially across the valleys of California. Meanwhile, locally here, it's been absolutely gorgeous. Lots of sunshine, cool weather, at least keeping the pollen and mold count down, but that's about to change. Tree pollen's been high throughout the spring over the last 3 or 4 weeks, and it's probably going to get into the very high category as we go to tomorrow, as we start to warm up tomorrow afternoon. Main troublemakers are oak and pine, and to a lesser degree willow. Little grass pollen out there. Weed has been absent, and mold is always around, but in the low category. That usually perks up as we get into the summer months. Temperature wise, right now we're at 66 degrees in Lafayette. Our official high was 68 after a morning start right around 40. Dew point nice and low, so very dry air. So once that sun sets, the temperatures are going to drop smartly this evening into the lower 40s. Look where we were this morning. 37 in Opelousas at 7 o'clock this morning. 38 in Abbeville, a little bit milder in Lafayette and New Iberia, but we did manage to get into the upper 60s this afternoon. Most of us in the mid 60s at this hour, but again, dropping pretty quickly. Even though high pressure shuttling off to the east will give us mostly an easterly wind tonight, won't be southeasterly till tomorrow afternoon. A mostly sunny day tomorrow. It is going to warm up, upper 60s to lower 70s. Clouds, we'll see them by this time tomorrow afternoon. They'll be moving in and thickening up tomorrow night, and even the chance of showers and thunderstorms through the wee morning hours of early pre-dawn hours of Friday. Then scattered activity pushing off to the east, and I think this is kind of how it's going to play out. Maybe a severe weather risk with this first initial swath of showers and storms. We'll see additional activity with daytime heating Friday. We'll have to keep an eye on that through Friday evening. So we're going with 60% on your rain chances Friday, but again, it may not wash out. And then going into the weekend, scattered activity. We'll take a closer look at that coming up tonight at 10. The Storm Prediction Center actually does have us hatched in for a marginal risk of maybe 1 or 2 severe storms that could produce hail or damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado. Stronger dynamics will be in the northern part of the state into Arkansas and Mississippi, and we might edge this marginal risk area a little bit farther to the east with those line of storms, maybe a hail-bearing storms. I think is going to be the greatest risk here in Acadiana. Chilly again tonight. Upper 30s northern portions of the area, lower 40s I-10 corridor, 42 to 43 being the common number, and much the same across the coastal parishes. And then after that chilly start tomorrow, we get into the lower 70s for your afternoon high. So for tonight, chilly night, last one for a while. We might see upper 40s again sometime next week. 43 the low tonight. Another beautiful day tomorrow, getting a little bit milder, 72 the high, and that sun will be kicking in. Southeasterly breezes tomorrow afternoon. There's that 60% chance of showers and storms Friday. We're kind of in the 50-50 range Saturday and Sunday. I hate 50%. I'd like to go either 40 or 60, but there is no model guidance that pushes us in either direction at this point. Rain chances down, temperatures up though as we go into early next week, and this weekend near 80, lower 80s Monday, and then a little bit of a cool down as we go into next week.
I think we're kind of lucking out with this forecast. It's
overall,
nice.
not too bad, and thank God, knock on wood, no big severe weather events this spring, which has been quite absent. Maybe payback coming down the line, but right now, pretty good.
All right, thanks, Rob. Still ahead tonight on KATC.